In the world of business software, particularly in the critical areas of accounting and enterprise resource planning (ERP), two names frequently come up: Sage and SAP. Both are global giants, but they serve different, albeit sometimes overlapping, market segments with distinct approaches. This often leads to a common question, especially for those new to business software or looking to upgrade their systems. Is Sage a SAP system? As an accounting software expert, I can clarify this definitively. No, Sage is not a SAP system. They are two entirely separate and independent software companies, each with their own suite of products, philosophies, and target markets. While both offer solutions that help businesses manage their operations, they are distinct entities. To understand why this distinction is important, let's break down what each company represents and how their offerings differ. What is SAP? SAP, which stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing, is a German multinational software corporation. Founded in 1972, SAP is renowned globally as the leading provider of enterprise resource planning (ERP) software. An ERP system is a comprehensive software suite that integrates all facets of an operation into one complete system. This includes finance, human resources, manufacturing, supply chain, sales, customer service, and more. The core idea behind SAP's ERP is to provide a unified platform where data flows seamlessly between different departments, eliminating information silos and enabling real-time insights into the entire business. SAP's flagship products, like SAP S/4HANA or SAP Business Suite, are typically designed for large enterprises and complex organizations with intricate business processes, significant data volumes, and often multinational operations. Implementing SAP solutions can be a substantial undertaking, requiring significant investment in time, resources, and often specialized consulting expertise. The depth of functionality, extensive customization options, and ability to handle vast scales are hallmarks of SAP systems. What is Sage? Sage, on the other hand, is a British multinational enterprise software company. Founded in 1981, Sage primarily focuses on providing accounting, payroll, and business management solutions to small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. While they do offer solutions that can scale up to larger enterprises like Sage X3, their core strength and historical focus have been on serving the needs of smaller, growing companies. Sage offers a broad portfolio of products, including Sage Accounting, formerly Sage One, cloud-based accounting software for invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and basic financial reporting. This is often targeted at sole traders and very small businesses. Sage 50 Cloud, a hybrid solution that combines desktop accounting software with cloud-connected features, popular among small to medium-sized businesses. Sage Intacct, a powerful cloud financial management platform, often used by growing mid-market companies that require more advanced accounting, reporting, and consolidation capabilities. Sage X3, an ERP solution designed for larger SMBs and mid-market companies, offering more comprehensive functionality across finance, supply chain, manufacturing, and sales. Sage Payroll and HR Solutions, dedicated software for managing employee payroll, HR functions, and compliance. Sage's strength lies in its user-friendliness, ease of implementation, especially for its smaller business solutions, and affordability for its target market. They aim to provide intuitive tools that streamline day-to-day financial operations without the extensive complexity often associated with larger ERP systems. Key differences and why it matters. The confusion between Sage and SAP often stems from the fact that both companies offer business software and have ERP solutions in their portfolios, e.g., Sage X3 and SAP's various ERPs. However, their core approaches and target markets are fundamentally different. Target market. SAP is predominantly focused on large enterprises with complex, global operations. Sage primarily targets small to medium-sized businesses, though some of its products cater to larger mid-market companies. Complexity and customization. SAP systems are known for their immense depth, flexibility, and high degree of customization to fit highly specific, often industry-specific, processes of large corporations. This complexity often requires significant implementation time and specialized consultants. Sage solutions, particularly those for smaller businesses, are generally more out-of-the-box, easier to implement, and require less customization. Breadth versus depth. While both offer integrated solutions, SAP's integration spans a wider range of core enterprise functions at a deeper, more granular level suitable for highly integrated global operations. Sage, while offering integrated suites, often builds outwards from a strong accounting core, providing robust solutions within specific business functions like finance and payroll. Cost. Generally, SAP systems involve a much higher total cost of ownership, TCO, due to licensing fees, implementation costs, and ongoing maintenance, reflecting their enterprise-level capabilities. Sage solutions are typically more affordable, with subscription models designed to be accessible for SMBs. Implementation. Implementing an SAP system is a major project, often taking months or even years, and typically involves a significant team. Sage solutions, especially for smaller businesses, can often be set up and running in a matter of days or weeks, sometimes with minimal external support.